Hello, good morning. Mm. Bad news for me. How the bad news I say? Say me ugly. A all news that and a good news. You know, so ugly girl have good pom pom. When you're a black woman, a natural black woman, they call it ugly wa. Your nose are fi straight. And me a fi white man, fi pretty. And when you try tell me say, hold on. Eh. Them attacks and me ugly bad. Listen to me, Merlin, my ugliness not hurt me. Some of them attack and some of the dirty pussy girl in my neighborhood. Some of them are prostitute and whore. Them take a one man, all kind of man them take. And then they put me case, of course, more come on YouTube and start comment shit. I hate to them. Me not hate nobody, but guess what? Me tell the truth. The truth I go kill some of them, yes. No, Merlin. Eh. No, sir. I lie. The same girl up on there called me ugly, she the what? Rascal. I sleep on the floor. I wearing clothes. Girl nah nothing. But I would the Ras you tell me say. Listen to me. Me nah no time for them, you know. And she go both ways. She can choose if she want a man or a woman. Hello. Hello. Phone not work. Hello. Oh, my back on. Hello. Who this? Merly. Shanette. Wagwan Shanette. Wagwan Miguel. No, my ugly face not paying me. My ugly face not paying me, baby. I'm quite content with it. You know, see me bubble and apple every day, I'm quite content. I'm not be a pest to nobody's life. Me got church master. Me pray every day, me pray for me sin. Me have to pray every day. Because this world is coming to an end. And yeah, some falling angel on you too. Some falling angel. No, they can't do nothing for themselves. Then if you post your video for them company, if you come comment and cuss you. They think they can't run you off and they can't run me off. My ugliness come like obiate have me to stay. Shanette. All them, some of them girls they run them out, you know. Me block them on Facebook so they come on YouTube, come explode. Shanette. Me a lesbian. Me not judge nobody, baby. And now and then every woman eat a little bit of fish when it belongs to them. But nobody come talk about me and a lesbian, baby. One time I used to have a roommate who was a lesbian. Let me explain to you how that go. Me live with my mama in Brooklyn. And I come from Jamaica in a little while. And I decide, say, my mama get on with me every day. You understand me? And I was a big woman, so my mama slapped me and me a big woman. Me decide to me have to go me to work in a Royal Department store. When me meet a friend, she work in there too, we sell clothes, woman clothes. Shirley, that's how the story go. The girl tell me can move in her, she have 2 bedroom. And she said me can move in with her. So she follow me, got my mama yard now and taxi go pick up my things. And me got her yard. When me meet her yard, I realize a 1 bedroom, she have with 2 little bed in there. Like a little hospital, one on the left and one on the right. Me couldn't turn back Shirley. But don't move out of my mama place a broke style, so me big. Yes, so me live with the girl after me there a couple days. One day me I come from work because that day she was off and I was working. And when me come in here, this alarm screaming. When me look, she down on her knee. With this man behind her with this big old long cocky like a ass. And she'll be in and out on her. And she bawling for murder. And she gonna turn around and ask me, calling my name, help me, Tina, help me, Tina, help me. I say, how am I gonna help her? I need God to help me for what me I see. I need God to help me when me I see. How the woman bend on put in the man a piercing body into her and she crying, Merlin. And I saw now. And I saw now then go on until he come. And check it up. I was in shock. When I go in the bathroom for bed, I see like 3 false body in there. You know, one like a thing like a net thing hang up by the shower where she use them and wash them off. One next day me I come home, she and the girl from upstairs in there fuck with the dildo them. And me catch me afraid. Me really catch me afraid, Merlin. Me they want to go back home to my mama, but me never know if I go back home to my mama. But me decide to make way and go back home to my mama. You see, because I was getting out of hand. And I decided that I'll call my mama and tell her I'm going to come. And I start pack up my things and the girl grab me. The girl grab me, Merlin. She grabbed me and start beat me up and grab a knife. I think she was going to stab me up. And she cut off the phone and one day I call my mama. And one piece of fight, the girl bite me, put her teeth, bite me, sink her teeth and bite me up. Obsessed over me. Me not yet nobody if the man or woman if they gay, that's their business. But me not nobody come tell a false room and say they see me a suck pussy. And them see me a name pussy. And know me name pussy. Me not name nobody pussy. You understand? Me never say no woman never name my pussy before. Me have get my pussy name. What a big disgrace if me get my pussy name before by a woman. Yes. I was much younger than her and she was gay. She was my friend. And she gave it to me and it was sweet. And I tell myself, it's not right because, you know, I shouldn't be doing that and I stop it halfway and done, but it's sweet. Me a human being, me a blood run through me, somebody let me tell us it more sweet, sweet Merlin. Anyway, I left the girl house and I left the girl place. Right? And me I try to come out of the girl place, the girl grabbed me out to fight, me couldn't exit out. When me look a whole bunch of police come. When they come, police come at the address, they hold me by it up. My mama come in a police car. When they look the ambulance come pick me up, they can make a hospital and give me shot. The girl bite up the whole my body. As so me go back home to my mama, the girl start to bite me up, me start to bawl for my mama. Me say I left my mama house. Mama! 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 The girl bite me and sink her teeth in my flesh. And the first time I get bite by a lesbian, and it wasn't a sweet bite, the girl bite me. The girl bite me, Merlin. The next day somebody start call me. Hello? What is? Me not have time for the mix up and the gossip. Me done. Listen, no call me with that woman the name. No tell me about that woman the name. Me don't want to hear nothing. Me done so me say and it done it. Argument see, me love everybody. All me want is peace and love. Me no want nobody come bite me up like with a lesbian girl bite me up. Me tell you, you know, me still have nightmare up to this day. This living day. Yes. It was so extraordinary the way she bites me. And the penis that she having on the show, you see. That was big. I remember one of them have a big pink head. I guess she buy that one special for me that day when she come in. But he never work out, she never get the chance and she bite me up. Me about my mama. Me have to about my mama. Until now, me can't forget how the girl bite me up. Me go come my bed and go sleep, you know, my child. Me go and go sleep because me don't want to mix up and bang around, you know. My heart too sweet. My heart too sweet, girl. My heart too clean. Me not no blood on my hand. You see what I mean? I don't have any blood on my hand. Well. Make the old dirty girl come off of my name. She walk and suck dick. And every man she pick up then drunk as fuck. She never get a man with sober. But she sit down and walk up and down on the road for my name. In the same like a piece of dirty blonde we go along. At least me wash mine. She brighty. What a audacity. How who tell them to come take step? Oh, who? Hello. What audacity. Some girl crutches stretch out. They have so much pity. They walk on this one and pity the people. And my pity, you know. And my daughter pity in a pram. They don't want people know how careless them is. How them crutches done. And they pan food stamp and welfare. Right. Sit down on my name. The wrong name, you're the pan child. The wrong name. Wrong train. Up half. You like a dirty crutches, girl. Apart from a line, apart from like a disease breeder, apart from a line, I'm alive. You dirty cock sucking whore, I know who you are. You're the president of cockhead. You're the president of cleaning cheese with your lips. Get off my line. Talk about ugly. Your mama crutch is ugly more than me. Your papa now disown you because your mama was a whore and that's why you got Murray and still don't find who your father is. Please stay away from me, Kinky Fly, because my crutch is not sour.